Exhaling down. Inhale, lifting up. Think of the air as resistance as well. Inhale, lifting up and down. And we're just starting to notice all these different connections, feeling the inner thighs like I mentioned, that breath with our core and our pelvic floor, inhaling and exhaling. The inhale, it's lengthening. Exhale, it's coming back up. And again, it's okay if you're not feeling it. It does take time and it takes practice. And this is something that we go over inside lots of the different trainings and programs I have inside Defy. If you want information, I have lots of it down below. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Gently lifting it up and back down for 3, 2, last 1. Okay, stop. And we're going to come up onto our hands and knees. And here's where, if you have that towel roll or blanket, we're going to place